Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend I did a 3-day training course in Lviv in Ukraine. And on the Wednesday evening when I arrived there, I started to feel a bit weird. And by Thursday evening, it was basically obvious to me that I had some kind of very painful knee infection. My knee was swollen and very sore to the touch. I decided just to soldier on and see if I could get through the Friday, which I managed to, even though my knee was very painful. By the end of the day, I realised that I wouldn't be able to do the next 2 days without seeing a doctor. So we managed to get a doctor's appointment, and the doctor confirmed my suspicions and said the knee was infected. They managed to get all of the pus out of the knee. Not a pleasant experience, I can tell you. And then I got some painkillers and some antibiotics, and I was basically okay. The organiser of the conference said she was surprised that I'd managed to get through the day in such a good mood, to which I responded by saying, listen, what can you do? In these situations, you just have to take it on the chin and get on with things. If you take it on the chin, you basically accept unpleasant events bravely and without complaining. I guess it comes from boxing, the idea of taking it on the chin and not giving up, not going down, but just getting on with things. So, if you're working, it's never nice having your work criticised by anybody. But when it happens, you have to be big enough to take it on the chin and learn from the experience. Sometimes when I'm watching my son play football, they go a goal down early on in the game. They concede a goal and they're losing 1-0. In those situations, it's easy for your head to drop and for you to get depressed and start giving up. But really, you can't act like this. You have to take it on the chin and you have to come back fighting. Maybe if you're at work and you know that you've messed something up and the boss finds out about it, you get a bollocking, you get told off, maybe in front of your colleagues, and because you know that you screwed up, you just have to take it on the chin, apologise and move on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use take it on the chin.